Hello friends, recently Nobel Prizes have been announced, and in that context let's understand some of the important facts with respect to Nobel Prize. So first time the Nobel Prize Foundation was laid down in the year 1895 by Alfred Nobel, okay, and Nobel Prize are been given in 6 important domains: the physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, peace. And the sixth one, in 1968, Sweden Central Bank Prize in Economic Sciences in memory of the Alfred Nobel was added to the Nobel Prize. So let's understand some of the important facts about it. Okay, so Sweden give Nobel Prize in 5 categories except the peace. The peace prize is given by the Norway, right? So let's understand this year name of the scientist of this year Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 2023 was announced to Kathleen Carrico, Drew Weissman, so for their discovery concerning to nucleotide-based modification that enable development of effective mRNA vaccines against the COVID-19. So this is very important work. When it's the Nobel Prize in Physics 2023 was announced to Pierre Agostini, Franz Krauss, Annie Collier. So basically for the experimental method that generate auto-cycling pulses of the lights for the study of electron dynamic in matter. So this will be very helpful when it's come to electronic system. The Nobel Prize in Economy was announced to Claudia Goldin for having advanced understanding of women labor market outcome. So her study will be quite helpful when it's come to understanding the women's participation in the workforce. And Nobel Peace Prize 2023 was announced to Narges Mohammadi of Iran, and Nobel Prize in Literature 2023 was announced to John Foss for the innovative plays and prose which give voice to the unsayable. So the Nobel Prize in Chemistry was announced to 3 scientists: Alexei Kumov, Louis E. Bruce, Mongi Bovendi. So these 3 people got the Nobel Prize in the chemistry. So this is all about the Nobel Prize 2023. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to Selection IS.